everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today's video I'll be doing my monthly subscription beauty box. So I actually opened it already. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna try it onto my face. We're gonna play all of this stuff, trying on my face, and we'll see how it's gonna look like. So don't judge me because I don't really know how to do makeup. I just love makeup, playing with it. I love playing with it, so we'll see. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is the products that I have from this month. So they always put this cute little paper, and at the same time they put all the products and the price as well. So I got this Becca loose powder. It's a pretty shiny packaging. And the second one is the Tarte mascara. I'm really excited about this mascara. They're really pretty color, pink, so like bright pink. I like it. And the third product is the primer from Wonder Beauty. I love this product. I have so many Wonder Beauty product that I got from BOXYCHARM. It's a really good product as well. And never heard about these two little pretty color eyeshadow. It has like bronze and pink, very shiny color. Those are pretty too. I'm excited to play with it. Even I don't know how to do eyeshadow. Let's find out later. And the last product that I've got is the Steve Laurent lip liner. So yay, I love lip liner, so definitely gonna use it a lot. Product that I'm gonna try it on to my face video, guys, is this Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Is it serum? I don't know. But so let's try it onto the face. I kind of like worry because I do have foundation on already. So let's do experiment with it. It's gonna be fun. So I'm just gonna double it to my face with foundation on. So it's look like, let's play with it. It's a pretty, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Maybe like that. I'm too scared. So it says illuminating glow. Probably it's gonna make my face glow. Oh, it's oil. It's oil. Let's play with it. It's fun to play with makeup. You can see, guys, my face is oily. Oh, it's pink. You see that? Oh my god, it's pink. Okay, let's do like that. Oh yes, the product. Oh, I love doing like this, like playing and messing around. Oh my god, it's pink. Oh, do I look pretty now? Okay, let's squeeze it. Oh my god, yes, my face is I can see it through my camera. It's shiny. Not messing around. So this is the product, the first product. Oh my god. So it's like oil. It wrapped off my foundation, but anyways, this is how it looks like, guys. It's very good. Can you see it, like shiny and gloomy?
Yeah.
And it I have an, by the way, guys, I have an assistant or director in front of me. Can I have a tissue, please? So this is the first product, guys. The color is like pink, and the color is very pink and shiny. Thanks, honey. And what's I'm gonna use? Oh, the eyeshadow. Yes, so this is how it looks like, guys. The Wonder Beauty Illuminating Oil. So this is how it looks. I don't know how it looks like in the camera. I did not like Oh, actually I can use it like a foundation. Look at my face. I like my face. It's like shiny and gloomy. Is it? Nice, huh? Nice product. So we're gonna try these both, guys. Good luck to me. I don't know how to do eyeshadow. Let's gonna play with it. So the first product and shadow, this color, pink, and let's try this one too. Oh, I like this color. So I don't know which one I'm gonna try. This one. So I decided I'm gonna try this. I don't know which type of oh, I like my face. Oh, I'm too scared. I don't know how to do eyeshadow, but anyways, let's go and start it. So I'm gonna try this. Like, what color is this? It doesn't see the color, so I don't know. Let's dump it like that and put it on my eyeshadow, I guess. That's so shiny. Okay. Oh, I like it. I really need to learn how to do eyeshadow because I don't know how to do eyeshadow at all. But I think I just need to play with it more often. But I'm just gonna put it all over my crease so that you can see, you guys, how just the pretty eyeshadow color is. See? Oh, I'm just gonna put it all over my crease. And I think that's good. Oh yes. And let's do the other side again. Oh my god, I like the color. I wish I can do the eyeshadow pretty, but I don't know how to do eyeshadow. I just put it all over my crease. What's that, honey?
That's the neighbor's dog's howl.
I don't like dog howling though. So yay! So I'm gonna put in my lower eyelashes as well. I think that's fine. Oh, I like that color. Pretty color. So maybe I'm gonna put the pink at the middle of my grease like that. Oh yeah, that's pretty color. Can you see that, honey? Ooh, I don't know. People really good do. I'm proud of people do good job in doing eyeshadow. I wish I can do that. Play with all my eyeshadow that I haven't touched it yet. So we're just messing around. So I'm done with the eyeshadow. So next we're gonna try on, guys. Oh, this is one of my favorite. I'm so excited about this mascara. I love mascara. So next is we're gonna put a mascara on our eyelashes. So I'm gonna clip this first. Kind of like I don't want to open it, but just for the vlog. Because I have like maybe 3 okay guys, this is the mascara. It's a Tarte Big Ego mascara. Oh, I like the brush. The brush is so pretty. Oh, That is pretty mascara. And let's put underside. I have to curl my eyelashes. I do like the eyeshadow. They are very pretty. And put mascara. Oh, the mascara make my lashes long and thicker. I love that. That's why I'm looking for mascara. Make my eyelashes like long and thicker because I do not have those pretty eyelashes. So, yay! So we're done with the eyelash. Normally I did not like putting mascara in my lower eyelashes because it's just me, I don't like it. So we're gonna try this Becca loose powder. Oh, it's not open yet. It's gonna be a while to open it. I don't know how to open it. Oh, got it. Ah! I bet I can see, you can see it in the camera. Oh, You know what, guys? Just for fun, I'm gonna put it all over my face. This is a loose powder. Let's play with it. Ooh! Oh, why is it cold? Why does it look like wet? Oh, is it like, I don't know. Maybe just my brush. I don't know. So, okay, let's play with it, guys. Put it all over my face. I like Becca product. They're like really nice product. I have a couple Becca product too, and I love it. So definitely a good brand. That's good enough. Yay! My face is gloomy. I like that. You know what? I just discovered, guys, that I can use it as a foundation and make my face like blooming or like shiny, gluey texture on my face. So I'm gonna use it like as a foundation. So next, woo, this one. Hi, squirrel. Lip liner. Oh, I hate opening something like this. It took me a while to open it though. So this is the last product, guys, that we're gonna try on to our face. This is the lip liner. I think I already got it on. I don't know what color is this, but ooh, it's hard me to open it. Okay, yes, got it. So I'm just gonna put it all over my lips. Oh, the color is so pretty. Some people did, like, they just use a lip liner to put all over their face. But my lips is dry right now, so I'm just gonna draw my lips. I like the eyeshadow. I can see it. Does it look better? Is it my lips had color? I can't. Oh, I messed it up. Huh. That's how they play with it. Okay, that's good enough. I really like the eyeshadow. So I think that's it. So guys, I think that's it for today's vlog, guys, for my monthly subscription beauty box. So I think I like it, all of it. This is one of my favorite. I just noticed it, and when I try to put it on my face look like very shiny and gloomy. So definitely I'm gonna use it a lot, like every day. So put it on my foundation, like mix the foundation together with this. This is perfect. And also the second favorite is this mascara. Make my eyelashes like long and thicker. So this is like I want for mascara, make my eyelashes long and thicker because I do not have a nice pretty eyelashes. My eyelashes is like not pretty at all. And the third one is this color, the 2 eyeshadow. It has this way, it's like different color than the normal eyeshadow that you buy, those eyeshadow bunch of colors. This is way different. I just noticed this on my eyelid. So shiny and pretty. Definitely gonna use it. It's good for everyday makeup too. It's not too bad. It's like very light makeup. That's how I can describe it. But anyways, and also the lip liner. So yeah guys, so everything in the comes in the box. I love it, and they're really nice products, especially the Becca, the Tarte, and this Wonder Beauty brand. I love this because I've been using this brand since I already subscription to the monthly subscription beauty box. They have this product all the time, comes with a box. So this is a very good brand. So I think that's it for today's video, guys, about my monthly subscription beauty box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye everyone.